In this video, I just want to show you a few people that are not stopping for their red light before making a right turn. So this person just went right past the stop line here and stopped into the crosswalk, and only because they saw that there was on cross traffic. Aside from that, they probably wouldn't have even stopped there. And then the vehicle behind them, let's see what they're gonna do. Rolling in, slowing down, not stopping, making the turn, automatic fail. Coming up here, this person makes somewhat of a stop. It was almost a stop, and then they crept forward, waited for the oncoming traffic that was getting their advanced turn signal here. And then this person here kind of sort of does a rolling stop, and now it's green light for them and they went and made the turn. So but however they are going wide, so this is an automatic fail as well. And so this is really common. It seems not clear enough for a lot of people that red means stop, right? They feel that, especially with students, sometimes they're like, well, the 20 cars in front of me all rolled and made the turn, so maybe that's what I need to be doing. Don't use other vehicles as a role model. Usually most drivers on the road aren't doing the right thing when it comes to following the rules to the T. So for your road test, you need to make sure that you're obeying the rules 100%. And in general, right, there's a reason why we stop at a red light. We stop because there might be someone using the crosswalk. The red light is telling you that someone else has the green. It might be the pedestrians in this crosswalk. There might be someone on a mobility scooter or a wheelchair coming up, and you can't see them at this point unless you stop, check carefully, and then take up the crosswalk. So coming in and then realizing, oh, wait a minute, there was the wheelchair right here about to come in and use the rest of the crosswalk, and then you're gonna go, oh, sorry, I'm in your way, and feel embarrassed and try to quickly make a turn and potentially not gauge cross traffic correctly, or feel that you need to back up now, and as you're backing up, not checking who's behind you, you back into the vehicle behind you. So long story short, red means stop, stop sign means stop, and what I mean by stop is your wheels have to come to a full stop. I can't emphasize this enough. Sometimes we even get into a bit of a challenge with the students. They're like, we stopped. I'm like, we didn't stop. If you look outside, you can see that we're still rolling. So it's sometimes just a feel for the student where they're slowing down and they're trying to make the stop so smooth that they don't even realize they're not coming to a complete stop. So we need a complete stop every time. Right there, that vehicle there made a complete stop, although it was past the stop line again. This person also slows down but doesn't stop. You see, that's a rolling stop. That's what's going to get you on the test, is slowing down but not stopping. Same idea, slowing down but now it's green, so they're okay not to stop once the light was green, but all the ones in front of them should have made a complete stop prior to thinking about doing anything else.